Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions. Yeah.
Oh, ye gods! My roast is But what if windowsill?
Skinner with his crazy explanations. The superintendent's gonna need his medication. When he hears Skinner's lame exaggerations, there'll be trouble in town tonight.
Seymour!
Attendant, super. I was just windowsill, stretching my calves on the isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed? Uh-huh. You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
No. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
For steamed.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them steamed despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I should be. Good Lord, what is happening in there?
Yes.
Seymour! The house is on fire!
Well, Seymour, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good steam.